How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King Red. Catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. It is going to be a talk about PEGY. Should we start buying this for a momentum type of trade? It had a nice move up to 41 cents and it pulled all the way back to 21 cents. Is this a good buy? I'm going to show you guys my system, my average true range of how it perfectly called the tops and it had retracements. And I'm going to show you guys my honest opinion, no pumping, just honest advice of what the chart tells you, what you should be doing, and all that. And if you guys want to have this system to your own so you can see it, because you really do have to see it, because I can tell you guys what I see on the chart, but it's going to change the next day. That's just how these things work. Price action changes with your exponential moving averages and your ATRs. So, if you want to join, I'll put the link down below into the premium or into the YouTube comments below. It'll be pinned, and there'll be a link to join the Discord. Click that link. It's only $6 a month. You can get the system with my entries and exits of an over 95% win ratio strategy, and that's a fact, as you can view my journal. So, what we have here is your upper band getting constantly tested. PEGY went all the way up to hit this upper band. It had some news along the way to make this happen. Where does it bounce back from? And that is your EMA 10. Right here, you have this EMA 5 short-term bounce, but the bounces I love the most is this yellow band here. That's your EMA 10. If you guys don't know what an EMA 10 is, put it on your chart. It's one of the best things. It's called your exponential moving average. It is the only thing I use for big moves up and a big move down. I love it because it's kind of like it gives you an idea of where price should correct to. It's that trampoline effect. When you're jumping on a trampoline, where do you want to be held by? Your EMA 10. That's where you should bounce. If it doesn't bounce, then it goes to your EMA 20. So this is like a risk versus reward. You're like, I'm willing to throw in $1,000 on this EMA 10. Can it go all the way through the EMA 10 and go to 20? Absolutely, but there's a lot more probabilities of it being a trampoline effect. And so here's what happens. We hit the EMA 10 right on this on May 20th, and we go all the way up, and we just keep bouncing, making massive gains from here, from 10 cents, and we go all the way up to 41 cents. Here's the next thing that's happening, guys. We go back down. I'm not surprised. We have to. It's like your average true range is so high, it's really hard to sustain this. So anybody buying in this region, you're going to get rug pulled. It's just not smart to do it. And if anything, I'm shorting stocks that go up all the way like this, and I'm looking to close my short at the EMA 5 and EMA 10, as those are the best ways to make money on the way down. So now we go all the way back down. The shorts are making their money. And now the shorts are like, okay, I don't want to short it right here. Why? Because it can have the trampoline effect. So just like it had here, the trampoline effect. So I would close my short here. But if it does go all the way back to this upper band, you better believe it, I'm shorting it. I'm shorting these penny stocks, okay? Because there's money to be made both ways. If you want to play the trampoline effect, if you want to play the bottom band bounce, which is down here, this is your bottom band. We went under the bottom band with time distance. Right in here, we know it has to hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20 on the reverse side of things. What does price do? It hits the 10 and hits the 20 way there down here. But the 10 is one of your most consistent ones that it does. Same with your EMA 5. It does it in a very short amount of time frame. So you accumulate way down in here when it gets well below your EMA 5 and you wait for time distance, right? All right, so we had this play here. We had the EMA 10 getting hit perfectly, and we're back above the EMA 5. Can it make a move up? Absolutely, guys. But here's the cons on PEGY. Guys, when you hit your EMA 5 and your 10, and it just like hits it for a while, that's weakening it. After a while, it's going to plummet through. Can this go up from here? Absolutely, but you're kind of playing with fire now. I love the EMA 10 bounce trampoline effect right in here on this candle, right here, over here. Third time, I don't know. We're playing with a little dice here because we know price has to hit what? The EMA 20. It could very well go from 19 cents all the way down to 16 cents, and that's it's not like a bad, like a big rug pull, but it could do that. And here's the thing. it could make a downtrend from that EMA 20. So we want to be careful here, right? If it goes through your EMA 10, we can look for the downside of this candle here. If it breaks through that candle here where this line is, you could make a stop loss and have, you know, a good risk versus reward, right? Because then the trampoline effect, you can try to see if you can get all the way up. I'm just not sure about this, right? So that's what we're looking at for this kind of trade. PEGY, we could short it if it hits the upper band again, right up in here, easy short. We have that option. We have the option for the trampoline effect. I think it can make a move up. But since it hit this trampoline so many times, and we know it has to hit the EMA 20, it can very well go down to this middle band. So those are the choices. So you do want to have probably a stop loss right under your May 31st big red candle here, right where my cursor is, just right under it, and then you can follow through the trampoline effect. Yeah, that's where it is. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see my bottom reversals alerts and have my system, do take the time to join the premium Discord of only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. And what you get in that, first of all, I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is, first of all, read how to subscribe. Very good knowledge, because if you have an Android user, you're going to want to read this. We are having trouble with people with Android users subscribing. Also read avoid scammers, because anybody that messages you first or asks you about mere trading service or anything, I do not do that. I will not message you first. So people will try to copy my logo and my name and message you. Do keep in mind, those are scammers. I'd never message you first. What you want to do is head over to the subscriptions tab over here where my cursor is on the left side. Hit premium chat. When you do that, it will ask you to subscribe for only $6 a month if you do it on your computer. If you do it on your phone, it will charge you a little extra, and it'll by like $1 or $2 more, because there is an iOS fee. Discord is through the App Store, so it will charge you more. If you do it on computer, it won't do it through the App Store. So it's only $6 a month. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love this. And what do you get for $6 a month? You're gonna get RTK swing trades. You're gonna get my alerts, my entries, and my exits all through the RTK swing trades channel with an over 95% win ratio, guys. Education videos. I'm gonna post videos in here all the time throughout your journey, throughout your journey here, and I'm gonna make sure you guys are profitable if you do this strategy. RTK Journal is the main thing that I love adding. I added this on May 14th, 2024, and this shows you guys my exact trades I'm in with my averages, so you never have to say what stocks are you in, and you can get my exact wins and losses through here, and how successful this strategy is. Hope to see you guys in here. This is my PEGY update. I'm looking for the trampoline effect. We'll see if it does it another time. It's done it twice already for the PEGY stock, and if it does do it, then we look for the short side on PEGY, and we look to short this sucker down all the way back to the EMA 5 and 10. Hope you guys like this update. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. All your type of engagement does help the channel spread it to other people, so I do read all your comments. I do like all your likes and your subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I wish to upload more and more content for you guys. And the best way to learn is to join the Discord. So I hope to see you guys there. Best of luck, guys, and happy trading.